investing, and you can see Bitcoin has broken up a little bit now, as I thought we would come retest this lower support first that is down here, but that did not happen. Right, it broke up. The volume didn't break up, but it has broken up to a local high of $47,753, as we have that upper target at $53,079 of a 26% chance of happening. And we've been updating this, and we're going to update this now to a 36.69% chance of happening. And we've updated this on 3/25, right? So you can see the progression as the chance of it actually hitting gets much, much greater now. And we are only at current price another $5,200 away, but we're going to continue to watch out, because you got to see if this last move holds right there, right? Move the lines out more. And if we zoom in from the 4-hourly, the hourly, what it looks like you're probably going to have happen tonight is you get something like this, right? And then we'll see if
don't beat the rock's eyebrow. Good evening on this increasingly dark, hot, sticky, uncomfortable early summer, early June. This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, probability-based trading alert and the rock's eyebrow.
this comes down to lower support down here, right? So we're going to see on this back test, this is what you're going to have to look forward to tonight on your back test after this pump. When you come retest this underneath support, can you continue up? Or was this just a fake out? We come back down and back test this lower support, right? And that lower support, now you can see from what we were looking at earlier, this did hit that targeted move. If you come back and hit that lower support at 55 or 45,557, which is a few $100s lower than where it is now. When you come on that, if you fail to hold that, then you're going to come back down to that underneath target like we were talking about over the weekend right here, right? Where we thought we would retest first and then go up. Now you're going to see when you back test this lower support that you just broke up at 45,000 and this rising channel that you're in. If this was just one little fake pump up and then you come back and retest like on a current day today, it should be down here at 43,000. So we're going to watch out for that tonight. The futures market open, then we had that little pump, and then what goes on tomorrow to see if we come back into this rising channel. That's what we're looking for. I'm thinking we're going to come at least back test is $45,000 right here, right along where the 50 is, and then we'll see what happens from there. As you do know, DOGECOIN, we have our Bitcoin SV that we've actually swung out of, right? This is an emergency alert. We bought in at $77 on Bitcoin SV. I don't think Bitcoin SV is done. I just think this thing's gonna explode, I think, somewhere. I think Bitcoin or Dogecoin may move up. We bought in at $77 and we sold yesterday for 15%, right? And then we had that video with Dogecoin, and we bought Dogecoin, 10,000 Doge. I haven't bought Doge ever, really, since that pump before the Elon Musk, about 2 months prior to that pump. And we bought Dogecoin yesterday down here on the moving average, right here on the 50. And right now, since we've made that little swing, we're up 10%, right? And we're going to have our stop loss on the 200-day moving average in the 3-hour time frame, which is right there, right? Vincenzo had that buy, that's trade right here earlier today when it was down, and we seen the coins rallying, so we figured we'd take a little buy. And what we're buying here now is we've got where this yellow arrow is This is where all the coins where we bought Bitcoin SV, and we bottomed off this lower support right here. And now we're just essentially playing the rest of this pump, and we're playing it up to about 19 cents. Because if you zoom out a little bit, you can see just like Digibyte blew up, Ethereum Classic blew up, right? We think this is going to go from lower support to upper resistance because it's oversold. And from the bottom of the move to the top would be a 66%, which sounds like Digibyte, which sounds like Ethereum Classic, what sounds like Bitcoin Cash, what sounds like HBAR, right? The same type of things that these coins have done. We hit that targeted move from the head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. You gotta watch that video that I highlighted. I'm gonna highlight more of them that we called it from way back there. Hit the targeted move a year later, and then now I'm gonna buy some Dogecoin. I bought it at 13.5 cents, right? And we're gonna ride it up to about 20 cents is what we're looking at right now. And then if you look at, what do we got here? XRP, you can see it's still, now see that? We drew how we could consolidate down to get up to that 90-cent target over the weekend. And now again, it looks like we're going to hit that 90-cent target. And this was another coin Vincenzo told you to buy right where this blue arrow is when we bought Bitcoin SV. And Bitcoin made it up to the top of its symmetrical triangle before the breakout. And we said you could end up here, and that's a 25% gain. And then we even have this green ring, which is your ultimate top out ring that I think way up there. And from current price, that's still quite a hefty move here. If we got all the way up there, that's, come on. That's still another industry exclusive measuring tool from current price. That is still another 33%, which would be about a 70% gain from the bottom. And this was another good call by Vincenzo, sniffing out and detecting what was going on in this symmetrical triangle, right? And it looks like we're coming up to that upper resistance in 90 cents. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.